Okay, let's understand how to join a Teams meeting with a personal account. I'm Kelly from the 365 Training Hub. Let's take a look. So there's two sides to this. First of all, when I'm creating a standard Teams meeting, I'll click on New and Event. But look at this option here. I want to create a virtual appointment. Guests can join on the web and enter via a tailored lobby. They don't need a Microsoft 365 account to join this meeting. Let's see the process. So I've set up the Teams meeting as usual. I've put in the meeting name, the person's name and their email address. I've checked the date and time details and press send. Now I've logged into my Gmail account and I can see that I've sent a meeting request here and I'm ready to join this appointment as a guest. There's two options. If I have Teams installed, I can jump into the Teams app. But I'm going to continue on the browser and pretend that I don't have a Microsoft account. Now you can see it's picked up that I've got a Microsoft account, but I can change it. I might have another account I'd prefer to use, or maybe just join without signing in, and that's incognito mode, and I can use this option without a Teams account. So I'm not signed in. It's optional if I want to type in my name, and I can click to join. I've got my corporate background here, but I can jump in and change my background filter to something anonymous if I wanted to.